Ingenious construction tools you should use. GEDA battery ladder lift. While on work sites, construction and repair workers always need to lift heavy materials to extraordinary heights. Standard elevators made for these tasks are helpful but have a few faults: bulkiness, inconvenience, and expensive. The German company GEDA designed a material hoist system that can be mounted on a ladder and take up very little space. The lift is compact and capable of transporting a wide variety of materials, and it is easy to operate with just the touch of a button. The lift is designed to assist with moving loose and liquid building material, bulky blocks, and slabs up to 120 kilograms. The maximum lift height is 10 meters and has a speed of 15 meters per minute of movement for the load platform. The ladder lift system will increase worksite productivity and doesn't have any cords to interfere with the working process. It would be a welcome addition to any construction or restoration project worksite. Ingenious Multi-Trowel. This multi-tool is so versatile that it will significantly increase the speed of construction and repair work, especially on complex surfaces with many curves. The Canadian company Ingenious designed the lightweight, practical, and easy to set up multi-treble tool. It is a trowel with an adjustable radius, and the working surface is connected to the handle. The trowel has 4 adjustable metal elements and can change its shape to precisely adapt to the shape of whatever the surface is to be treated. No matter the surface, material, or form, this tool can handle anything based on the worker's decision. It has a maximum concave radius shape of 20 centimeters and a maximum convex shape of 25 centimeters. There are different blades and sizes, round or sharp edges, enough options to cover many tasks. Whether working with plaster, drywall, or stucco, the way work is to be completed will no longer be the same. Rockamat Chameleon. The Rockamat Chameleon is a universal sanding machine designed to work on a full range of surface preparatory work when plastering and finishing. The device consists of two 200 mm counter-rotating discs that move between 120 and 600 RPMs. These blades smoothly remove a thin layer from the surface and can cover a large area when in use. The tool itself only weighs 2.4 kilograms and has a 1000 watt power consumption. A worker will get a wide range of possibilities with this machine, including stripping wallpaper, flattening fresh concrete, polishing, cleaning glue residue, and sanding, just to name a few. The Chameleon has an adjustable suction hood to prevent dust clouds and debris scattering. It also has depth regulation and limitations to prevent scoring when working on soft materials. This one machine can do several tasks and eliminate the usage of switching tools while working on one specific job. An artisan will enjoy the versatility of this machine. Plate carrier. Construction sites are full of many heavy materials and equipment. Materials such as glass, sheet metal, slabs, and panels are commonly used on a work site. But these materials are also oversized, very fragile, and even have sharp edges, making the need to handle them with great care, especially when transporting them. The plate carrier from IQ Tools makes it convenient to move these items with its rubberized holder to provide a firm and secure grip. It is a unique holder for flat and heavy materials, and there is a wide range of models depending on the material, weight, and thickness. For example, the tiniest holder is made for sheets from 0 to 40 millimeters thick, while one of the largest is for sheets up to 120 millimeters thick. The maximum capacity of the plate carrier is 100 kilograms, so it's able to handle all types of loads. No worksite should go without having one of these devices around because the risk of damaging material can put a hold on the work and be a very costly mistake. U.S.SAWS Core Easy. This high-precision, modular core drilling machine makes any drilling process easy and fast. It is capable of drilling holes into concrete on construction sites quickly. It's designed to make holes in concrete, walls, foundations for the subsequent installation of piles or reinforced concrete structures. The Core Easy is compact and suitable for drilling hard-to-reach places and can also saw metal. It has a diamond drill. So as it rotates, it digs into the material, breaking the surface in a circular motion while the inner parts remain intact. When locking onto the center of the core, the center guide post reduces the chance of any tool misalignment. Then, once finished, it creates the perfect, flat round hole. The center guide post also eliminates the need to drill offset holes that are needed to mount traditional rigs. One of the safety features is a safety clutch made to protect the worker in case there is a jammed bit. DeWalt DCE 151 TDI. Stripping multiple cables or wires is a significant task that can take up a lot of time and often requires using a special electrical wire stripper. With the DeWalt DCE 151 TDI, a worker would be able to strip a large number of cables or wires very quickly. The wire stripper comes housed in a case with 20 different attachments that expand the tool's capabilities. It can be used for cables between 6 and 750 millimeters and can be safely used on the delicate metal details of the cable without damage. To prevent a worker from being injured when using the tool, the knife has a special closed-off design, and there is also a variable speed trigger to help control for added safety. When the tool jams, the E-clutch system will maintain control. This model belongs to the 20-volt Max XR series of cordless tools and is capable of working for a long time. Coal bar hammer. There isn't much versatility when it comes to hammers. All hammers have a similar function. At 43 ounces and made from carbon steel, the coal bar hammer is different from regular hammers as it looks normal but completely transforms when it's unfolded by turning into a crowbar with various functions. This 7-in-1 tool has a fixed angle between the handles that can be used as a measuring tool. By pressing the core of the hammer, one tool is detached from the other, leaving the worker with both a hammer and a crowbar at their disposal. This versatile tool can also be used as a screwdriver bit. There is also a gear and ratchet system that locks in 15-degree increments. Other tools it can convert to are a demolition tool, ruler, and nail pliers. This is the ultimate multi-tool for any handy person. The minimum price is $55. Ruby hole marker. When construction or remodeling is being completed on a kitchen or bathroom, having a uniform, precise cutout for certain pipes, fixtures, and other elements from the wall to the tile is necessary. The ruby hole marker will allow the worker to copy and transpose the position of these holes quickly and accurately. The maximum length of the marker is 65 centimeters, works with tiles of almost any size, and is simple to operate. The marker will lock onto the tile and remember the exact location of the hole. Next, you transfer it to another tile and mark it. Once completed, you are able to start the drilling process. At least 3 tiles must have been placed surrounding the hole to be marked. This serves as a template to ensure the position is locked accurately. With its simple design and ease to use, the ruby hole marker will make the work of tile fixers much easier and faster. Probst FXAH 120. Construction material is fragile, expensive, and heavy. Most materials cannot be lifted on their own or sometimes with another person. The German company, Probst, designed a tool to help move heavy, bulky boards. The FXAH 120 alleviates the difficulty of lifting, carrying, and installing the heaviest of items while simultaneously reducing any health risks to any worker. This tool is a vacuum lifter that attaches to a concrete or masonry slab tightly and securely. It runs on a rechargeable 14.8-volt lithium-ion battery that can provide 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous operation. The device is helpful on concrete, granite, household goods such as freezers, and many more. There are 2 versions of this tool, one made for a single person and the other for 2 people to use. The Probst FXAH 120 will increase productivity and reduce the risk of damage with its 120 kilograms lift capacity, which is much more than a worker can achieve alone. Probst SVZ Uni. The German company Probst makes many valuable tools, but the SVZ Uni is a bit different. This manhole and cone installation clamp will simplify the procedure of installing manhole elements. When in use, the tool operator switches from grip to release with a single movement of the lifting hook, making the entire transport procedure more productive, as only one person can perform it. The SVZ Uni has a wide range of working diameters from 620 mm up to 1,500 mm. With additional units adjusting the diameter of the clamp is possible, and by using standard bolts, it can be mounted quickly. During the procedure, it may be necessary to change rings. If so, there is no additional readjustment required. The machine itself weighs 100 kilograms, but has a load capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms. The durability will enable any worker to efficiently handle all types of manhole elements when using this device. No manhole work should be done without the SVZ Uni.